Running on empty, preventing and overcoming burnout in ministry. Welcome to Truthfully Yours. Ministry is a calling, but it can also be incredibly demanding. Burnout is a real threat, especially for those in leadership. Today, we're exploring how to prevent and overcome exhaustion and disillusionment in ministry. Ang burnout ay isang estado ng emosyonal, physical at mental na pagkapagod na sanhi ng matagal o labis na stress. Ito ay nailalarawan sa pamamagitan ng una, pagkapagod. Pakiramdam na naubos at naubusan ng lakas. Pangalawa, pagkamuhi. Pagbuo ng isang negatibo o detached na saloobin patungo sa trabaho. Pangatlo, kawalan ng bisa. Pakiramdam ng nabawasan na tagumpay o pagiging epektibo. Ang mga leader ng ministeryo ay partikular na mahina dahil sa 1. High expectations. Pakiramdam ng presyon upang matugunan ang mga pangangailangan ng iba. 2. Emotional demands. Pagharap sa mahihirap na sitwasyon at tao. 3. Lack of boundaries. Nahihirapan na paghiwalayin ang trabaho sa personal na buhay. Factual claim. Ipinapakita ng mga pag-aaral na ang isang malaking porsyento ng mga ministry leaders ay nakararanas ng burnout na humahantong sa nabawasan na pagiging epektibo, nasira na relasyon at kahit na pag-alis sa ministeryo. The Bible emphasizes the importance of rest, setting boundaries and caring for our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Matthew 11:28-30 says, "Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." Jesus invites us to come to Him for rest and reminds us that His burden is light. Mark 6:31 says, "And He said to them, Come away by yourselves to a desolate place and rest a while. For many were coming and going, and they had no leisure even to eat." Jesus recognized the need for His disciples to withdraw and rest, even when there was much work to be done. The Sabbath principle in Exodus 20:8-11 reminds us of the importance of setting aside time for rest and renewal. Paano maiiwasan at malalampasan ng mga ministry leaders ang burnout? Action number 1. Prioritize rest and Sabbath. Mag-schedule ng regular na oras para sa pamamahinga at pagpapanibago, kapwa araw-araw at lingguhan. Action number 2. Set healthy boundaries. Matutong tumanggi sa mga kahilingan na higit sa iyong kapasidad. Magtalaga ng mga gawain kung maaari. Action number 3. Practice self-care. Makisali sa mga aktibidad na napapakain sa iyong pisikal, emosyonal, at espiritual na kagalingan tulad ng ehersisyo, mga libangan, at paggugol ng oras sa mga mahal sa buhay. Action number 4. Seek support and accountability. Komunikta sa isang mentor, isang grupo ng suporta, o isang tagapayo na maaaring magbigay ng patnubay at paghihikayat. Action number 5. Re-evaluate your calling and priorities. Maglaan ng oras upang magnilay sa iyong tawag at tiyakin ang iyong mga prioridad ay naayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Action number 6. Cultivate a strong spiritual life. Maglaan ng oras sa panalangin, pag-aaral ng Biblia at pagsamba. Pahintulutan ang Diyos na punuin ka ng kanyang kapayapaan at lakas. Burnout is a serious threat to those in ministry, but it's not inevitable. By prioritizing rest, setting boundaries, practicing self-care, and seeking support, ministry leaders can sustain their passion and effectiveness for the long haul. What do you think? What strategies have helped you prevent or overcome burnout? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what other topics you want us to explore on Truthfully Yours. Thanks for watching. God bless you.